The big advantages to use and maintain is the preventive maintenance module gives us the ability to track and trigger our assets so that they're actually being tracked. And once it pops up that it's due, it's actually being scheduled. Most construction facilities have roughly 30 to 35% downtime. Use and maintain, it's given us the ability to actually swing our downtime numbers to roughly 5 to 6%. So that's been a vast improvement for us, and it's noticeable in the bottom line. Prior to maintain, we were using a generic maintenance software package that did not couple with anything else that we were using in the company. That's one of the reasons why we switched to the maintain module to have the all-in-one package. It's been a win-win situation for the field and the maintenance department. For the crews to have the ability to put in a work request, they're more apt to do it versus a phone call. The other proactive thing to the maintain module, the way it couples with schedule, we could look at the schedule and say, hey, you know what, they're not using on a specific day, and try to coordinate it that we do the repair on a day it's not being utilized. One of the valuable tools that the maintain module and throughout the whole software suite of B2W is the ability to track your KPIs. In a real good, best-in-class maintenance program, you'd like to see 85% of your repair hours planned. And then the other thing to track is preventive maintenance. I mean, a rule of thumb is you want to have 40 to 60% of your hours devoted to preventive maintenance, because if they're not, that's what causes the vicious fire to start. Next thing you know, you do start having equipment downtime. It's the collateral damage that really costs you money. Not so much the repair of a down piece of equipment, but how that impacts the job for the day, the crew members involved. So for us to be able to track where we are with equipment uptime and to realize what's costing us in downtime and how we can get better at managing that, that's huge to us. I'm very fortunate here. The ownership of this company are visionaries. It's awesome to be able to be part of that vision, to roll out a program like B2W with all the modules to help us get better and maintain our assets and just be like the leaders in our industry. And I really think that's where we are.